Hello YouTubers, here we have another Hunter R-52. This is that motor that's been sitting around for the longest time. I finally got bored of looking at it and decided it's time to complete it and get it into my room. So I put the pull chain in it and reassembled it with my adapter I had and my Campion down rod, and it runs flawlessly. The motor is supplied by Mike Holland. I got that from him, not this recent trip but last trip, but it's never really got around to finishing it. The adapter came off the Georgia R-52 that I had that unfortunately broke, so that's why I got this other replacement. The adapter moves nice and smoothly. Let's go ahead and put this fan through its spaces on low starting. Downrods is something I had. I'm probably going to put a short downrod on it, just that worked for the time being. Low speed's very nice on this fan. Go ahead and go to a medium speed. If I put some oil in this fan, it runs silent. Good breeze on medium. Go ahead and go to high speed now. High speed, this thing hauls butt. Need to go ahead and blow out the windings. I haven't gotten that far. I was originally going to repaint this fan, but I think I'll leave this one in the original condition it's in because it's decent. I kind of like it like that on this one. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Once again, a big thanks to Mike for selling me another R-52 motor that I could use these parts on. Definitely in good shape. Just for the fun of it, let's go ahead and just put it on high with reverse pitch. Reverse pitched, high, I'm at low, medium, high. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.